6:49 is the time right now. Last night at 10 o'clock, Local 2 Investigate showed you how a critical lack of resources and bed space in our mental health care system leaves many folks without treatment until they get arrested.
This morning, investigative reporter Robert Arnold shows us how this lack of resources may have also led to 2 deadly confrontations with police.
Last July, officers were called to Stephen Guillory's home. They'd been there 3 times before because Guillory had a history of schizophrenia. This time, police say Guillory attacked them with a large pipe. Police say tasers had no effect and Guillory kept attacking. He was shot and killed. Omar Esparza's parents say their son suffered from deep depression. They got him help once, but say he was getting worse. When they tried to get him into a hospital, I wanted them to check him out like they had before, but they had no rooms.
They're being told that either there's not enough room or they can't take him on an involuntary basis.
Since Esparza was over 18, he either had to voluntarily check into a hospital, something his parents say he wouldn't do, or they had to go through the daunting legal process of having him committed. 3 weeks later, he stopped eating, showering, or seeing friends. Police were called. Officers say Esparza attacked them with a hammer. When non-lethal weapons didn't work and police say Esparza kept attacking, he was shot and killed. Esparza and Guillory are extreme outcomes, but common examples of a system that typically handles the mentally ill through the criminal justice system first.
We're treating a lot of psychiatric patients at the jailhouse who ought not to be there, but they got nowhere else to go to get their treatment.
Deputy Chief of Psychiatry at Bentop Hospital, Dr. Britta Ostermeyer, says a lack of funds is creating a critical lack of bed space for mentally ill patients. Therefore, hospital stays are shorter and outpatient care is even more scarce. Robert Arnold, KPRC Local 2.
Tonight at 10, our investigation continues with why the Harris County Jail has now become the largest inpatient mental health care facility in Texas. If you have a story for Local 2 Investigates, call our tip line 713-223-TIPS or email local2investigates@click2houston.com.